My lab space has been in a mess because I've been working back to back doing testers and other productions for you guys. So I noticed that you guys have been looking for scrubs on my channel. So I have taken my time to make this beautiful body foaming scrub. So if you like to see this video, please keep on watching. Hello, hey fellow skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Saleh Khalil and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews, and I just teach you everything that you need to know about making your own skincare products. Now today I'm going to be making this beautiful foaming bath scrub, foaming body scrub. And if you like to see how we made this, please make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Okay, so getting a heat resistant beaker, we are going to measure out our stearic acid, and for stearic acid I am using 5%, which is 25 grams. And stearic acid will help to give body to this scrub. It will help to harden it a bit so it has form, and also helps to stabilize this scrub. Now furthermore, we're going to add cetyl alcohol. We're adding 2%, which is about 10 grams, and this will help to provide emullency and spreadability of the body scrub, as well as to give the scrub some body and fullness. Okay, cetyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol that is used in cosmetics to thicken creams and lotions and all of that. So next we are using SCI. We're using that at 9%, which is about 45 grams, and we're using SCI to give our sugar scrub a rich foaming property that not only aids in exfoliation but gently cleanses the skin as well. Now I also went ahead to add cocoa betaine, which is, I didn't show it here because I don't know where the footage went. I added that at 6%, which is about 30 grams, and I just went ahead to mix it with the SCI to create this paste that you see on here. This scrub can be used on even a sensitive skin because the SCI that we're using here is very mild. It's a very mild surfactant. That is why it is nicknamed baby foam. Okay, so even if you have sensitive skin, you can definitely use this scrub. Now in another beaker, I'm going to add water at 4%, which is 20 grams, and glycerin at 10%, which is 50 grams. Now I also do not know where the footage is for those that particular part, but that's what I did. And then after everything, I'm going to take my measured out ingredients to my heat and then try to dissolve them. Now you can do the double bath, but this is what I like to do because it's easier for me, easy to clean up, and it's just easy for me. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to allow the water and the cetyl alcohol and stearic acid to dissolve, and then I'm also going to allow the SCI and the cocoa betaine to also heat up a bit. Now remember, you have to follow these instructions to the teeth to get the exact consistency that I'm going to show you. Okay, so now our oil phase has dissolved. That's our cetyl alcohol and stearic acid has dissolved. I'm going to add that into the SCI and the cocoa betaine, still on heat. Remember, you don't want a very strong heat. The heat I'm using here is very mild, so you don't burn your products or degrade the strength of your ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try to mix that together. It doesn't have to mix all the way. It doesn't have to, you don't need to have like a very consistent texture. You're going to see in the future it will look like a mashed potato or something, but it is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. The reason why I said you should still leave it on the stove while you are mixing it is so that your oil doesn't harden up, if that makes sense. So you're going to go ahead and keep mixing that, and then go ahead and pour in your water phase, which is the water and glycerin in there. Now after that, you keep mixing it. This is where you get the mashed potato consistency. You're going to see that in a bit. It's okay, there's nothing wrong with it. Just keep on mixing it. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. You see how it looks like it is falling apart, or it's breaking off, or it's melting, or whatever. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with it. Just keep mixing until you get to a point where you feel like you are comfortable enough to add your sugar. Now I'm going to put that back on my scale so I can measure out my sugar. Now the amount of sugar you use has to sum up to 100%. What that means is, after you calculate all the ingredients that we've added so far, whatever is left to make 100, that's what you should add for your sugar. Okay, so that's what I did. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. As you can see, it is mixing in beautifully. Now one thing I want to tell you, if you are not comfortable with the consistency, or you think that it is too watery at this stage, please do not add more sugar. Do not add more sugar, because it is still warm, and the longer you keep the product, it gets thicker. Okay, by the next morning you will see that the product becomes really really thick, and you don't need to add any more sugar. Okay, so this is what we have right now, and I am loving it. I'm going to go ahead and add in mica powder. You can use any mica powder that you have. These are some old mica powders that I have. And then I also added fragrance and liquid Jamal Plus, because this product is going to come in contact with water and we don't want to contaminate it. So as much as it is a body scrub, remember we added water, and any product that you have water in, that has water or contains water, you need to preserve. Okay, even if it doesn't have water, as far as it comes in contact with water, especially scrubs, you need to add preservatives. So I'm going to be adding Jamal Plus, which is a very simple, very general preservative. It is broad spectrum. It is easy for you to get. I'm going to add that here. But when you're making scrubs like this, it is safe to combine two different preservatives. So I went ahead to also add phenoxyethanol to my Jamal Plus, just to make sure that my product is safe. But if you don't have phenoxyethanol, you can definitely just use Jamal Plus. So I don't know why I thought this is better than just pouring the color into the product, but do you? Okay, you don't necessarily need to do this. You can just pour it straight into your product. But I guess I was trying to see how much color I would get. I didn't want to go all the way, but it's fine. You can definitely just pour your color straight into your product. Now, if you have watched up to this extent and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe. I know that I have been MIA. I have not been in action for the past months, almost 3 months. And that is because I haven't been motivated. I haven't been pushed. I've been having fatigues. So I've just decided to stay off, but I'm back now by God's grace. So please, if you're seeing this video for the first time, we have plenty of good content on this channel for you to binge watch. Okay, so please go ahead and take your time to watch this channel. If you are not new but you have been seeing my videos and you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was entertaining, beneficial, educative for you. And if you would like to buy this scrub, we have them on our website, and we have other products as well on our website that you can buy. If you can't buy on the website, you can send us a WhatsApp message to order any of our skincare products. But you can definitely check out our website to see a range of products that we have on there. We also provide custom productions for you, both for personal use and for rebranding. So definitely use the link in the description bar to get to us. We also have our ebooks, which are available for you guys to learn and start making your own professional skincare products at home. Okay, so thank you very much. This is what our scrub looks like immediately. It is not very thick right now because, like I said, it is still warm, and as the days go by it becomes even thicker. So don't add more sugar. Okay, this is after a few hours. I left it to go and do other things, came back, and this is what we have. As you can see now, you see how thick it is. This is just a few hours later. Okay, and this is the reason why I said there's no need to add extra sugar simply because you think it's not thick enough. But if you feel like it's not thick enough, then you can add more sugar, but it gets harder as the days go by. So this is what we have. Really beautiful product. I decided to concentrate on scrubs because I noticed that people that come to my channel are looking for scrub videos, and they watch a lot of my scrub videos. So I'm going to be doing different kinds of scrubs in the next few weeks. And also, if you have requests, I noticed also that skin whitening products also bring people to my channel, so I'm going to also concentrate on those kind of products, both creams, serums, soaps, and all of that. So if you like to see more videos like this, or you want to see different videos for skin whitening or any of that, please definitely leave your comment in the comment. Let me know, and I'll be very, very happy to do those videos for you. So this is me testing out the product just to see how it works. You see that even with water it is not moving. That's because of the stearic acid and the cetyl alcohol. So that's why I said you need to follow this recipe to the T. And as far as softness, emolliency, this product is very good. It is very soft, makes your skin really, really soft, and it also lathers very, very well, as you can see. So yeah, this is what we have. I'm so grateful for all of you that keep coming back, and for the new people who have taken time and watched this video. Thank you so much. Make sure you watch other videos as well. I'm going to leave links up here for you guys to watch other videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you that keep coming back. God bless you, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. Thank you so much. Bye.